Close your eyes for a moment and imagine the smartphone in your hand, the metro train you travel in, or the cricket bat hitting a six in IPL, or the solar panels on rooftops, even the artificial joints used in hospitals. Have you ever wondered who designed the materials that make these things stronger, lighter, safer, and smarter? So, welcome to the Kapeel Gupta Career PodShow. Today, we are exploring a powerful but often underrated career, material scientist. So, if engineers build the world, material scientists decide what that world is made of. So, this is a career for curious minds, for students who ask, why is steel strong? How does plastic bend? Or can we create something lighter than aluminum but stronger than iron? Now, if that question excites you, stay with me. Today, you might discover a career you never knew existed. Hi, I'm Kapeel Gupta, career coach, life mentor, and founder of Study Abroad Academy. I empower students, parents, and conscious professionals to design a fulfilling life and career by aligning their minds, values, and aspirations. I do it with coaching, mindset work, and the game changing power of graphotherapy because students deserve more than this guidance. They deserve transformation. So, let's dive in. So let me tell you about Ria. Ria grew up in Pune. She loved chemistry but didn't want to become a doctor. She loved physics but didn't want to sit for JE just to follow the crowd. She was curious about how things are made. She studied metallurgical engineering. Later, she specialized in material science. And today, she works with an electrical vehicle company designing battery materials that increase efficiency. And that's the power of this field. In India, material scientists are needed in industries like automotive, aerospace, defense, electronics, renewable energy, pharmaceuticals, nanotechnology, construction, and manufacturing. Organizations like ISRO, DRDO, BARC, Tata Steel, Reliance Industries, Mahindra, and many research labs constantly hire material science professionals. And with India pushing for electric vehicles, semiconductor manufacturing, and renewable energy, material innovation is becoming crucial. Abroad, the demand is massive. Countries like the United States, Germany, Japan, South Korea, Canada, and Australia invest heavily in research and development. Aerospace companies like the Boeing and Airbus, tech giants, medical device companies, and energy firms rely on material scientists. Global reports show that advanced materials and nanotechnology will drive industries worth trillions in the coming decades. And this is not just a job, it's a career shaping the future of technology. And now, imagine yourself as a material scientist. You walk into a research lab, you wear a lab coat, you're not just studying materials, you are designing them. One day, you might test how a new alloy behaves under extreme heat. Another day, you might analyze microscopic structures using advanced equipment. And sometimes you may simulate materials on computer software before even creating them physically. A material scientist studies the structure, properties, performance, and application of materials. These materials could be metals, polymers, ceramics, composites, or even smart materials. Suppose a company wants to build a lighter aircraft. You work on creating a composite material that is strong but lightweight. If a hospital needs safer implants, you design biocompatible materials. If a company wants better smartphone screens, you improve durability and scratch resistance. Your workplace could be a lab manufacturing plant, research institute, university, or corporate R&D department. Some days involve experiments, some days involve data analysis, and some days involve team meetings with engineers. So, this career mixes chemistry, physics, engineering, and creativity. So, you're not just reading textbooks, you're creating solutions. Now, let us talk practically. To become a material scientist, you usually need a bachelor's degree in material science, metallurgical engineering, chemical engineering, physics, or related fields. Many professionals also pursue a master's or PhD, especially if they want to enter research or advanced development roles. In India, top institutions offering programs in materials science and engineering include IITs, ISC Bangalore, NITs, BITS Pilani, VIT, and other reputed universities. Abroad, universities like MIT, Stanford, University of Cambridge, University of Oxford, University of California, Berkeley, and ETH Zurich are known for materials research. But remember, degrees open doors and skills keep them open. So you need strong analytical thinking. You must understand chemistry and physics fundamentals. You should be comfortable with mathematics and data analysis. Computer skills are increasingly important. Simulation software and data modeling tools are part of the job. Curiosity is your biggest asset. And if you love asking, why does this happen? And can we make it better? This field is for you. And now, let us address the question every parent asks: what about salary? In India, a fresher material scientist can earn around 5 to 8 lakhs per annum, depending on the industry and organization. With experience and specialization, salaries can grow to 12 to 25 lakhs per annum or even more, especially in high tech sectors like aerospace or energy. In government research organizations, salaries follow structured pay scales but come with job stability and prestige. And abroad, salaries are significantly higher. In the United States, material scientists earn around $80,000 to $120,000 per year on average. In Germany and other European countries, salaries are also competitive, and especially in automotive and industrial sectors. However, salary depends on specialization, research expertise, and industry. So, if you ever enter advanced fields like nanotechnology, battery research, or semiconductor materials, your value increases tremendously. Now, let me share something very, very important. The lithium ion batteries that power electric vehicles, they did not appear overnight. Years of material research made them efficient. The lightweight materials used in space missions are results of material science breakthroughs. And all of you must have heard of India's Mars mission, which cost less than many Hollywood movies, was possible partly because of innovative material choices. And behind every technological revolution, there is a material scientist quietly working in a lab. So, this is not a glamorous social media career, but it is powerful. It creates real impact. So, now ask yourself, do you enjoy chemistry and physics? Do you like solving practical problems? Or do you feel excited about innovation and research? If yes, material science could be a calling. So, this career allows you to contribute to electric vehicles, space exploration, medical devices, renewable energy, and advanced manufacturing. The world needs better materials for sustainable growth, and maybe you are the one who'll create them. So, to every student listening today, do not follow careers blindly because everyone else is doing it. Explore, research, discover hidden careers like this one. Material scientists build the foundation of tomorrow's world. So, if this episode helped you imagine yourself working in a lab, designing the next big innovation, share it with someone who loves science. And if you wish to connect with me for a one to one, The link is in the description. Subscribe to the Kapeel Gupta Career PodShow for more career clarity and global insights, because your career is not just about earning salary. It's about shaping the world you want to live in.